In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a HostPapa affiliate program. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting your journey, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you're equipped to earn commissions by promoting HostPapa's services. First things first, you'll need to visit their official website. Head over to hostpapa.com/affiliates. Here, you will find all the essential information about their affiliate program. Once you're familiar with what they offer, it's time to get started with the sign-up process. Locate and click the Join Now button on the page. This will direct you to the registration form. In this form, you'll fill out your name, email address, and create a secure password. Remember, choosing a strong password is vital to keep your account safe. Once that's done, the next step involves entering your website or social media page. This is where you'll be promoting HostPapa, so double check these details for accuracy. Now it's time to select your payment method. HostPapa offers flexibility by allowing you to choose between PayPal or direct bank deposit. Choose the one that best suits your needs and input the corresponding information. Before finishing up, make sure to read their terms and conditions carefully. When you're satisfied, tick the box to agree to these terms and then click Sign Up. That's it. You've successfully registered as a HostPapa affiliate. But don't forget, the setup isn't complete just yet. Check your email inbox for a verification message from HostPapa. If you can't find it, consider checking your spam or junk folder. Once it arrives, click on the confirmation link to activate your account fully. You're almost ready to start promoting. Return to the affiliate login page and sign in with your new credentials. Once inside your dashboard, navigate to the marketing tools or affiliate links section. Here, you'll be able to see and manage your unique referral link. For example, it may look something like hostpapa.com/VFED your ID. Having your referral link is just the start. You can further customize it by creating a custom tracking link if you wish to drive traffic to specific pages. This optional step can help you analyze which pages convert the best for future optimizations. Finally, it's time to share your affiliate link. Consider using platforms such as YouTube tutorials, blog posts, or social media. By creating engaging content around HostPapa's offerings and encouraging people to sign up through your link, you can boost your earnings through commissions. Well, there you have it. A thorough guide to setting up and utilizing your HostPapa affiliate program. Happy promoting and best of luck with your affiliate endeavors.